Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website on both iOS and Android. FluxBuilder 2.0.4 provides a beautiful new horizontal product layout for your app. Let's get started by logging in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Select the Home tab. Add new horizontal product layout. Quilted Grid Tile is a new horizontal product layout. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.